How to convert video to GIF on mobile. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in video to GIF. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, Canva. Now click on the option, upload your video. Now go ahead and select the video that you want to convert to GIF. Once selected, you'll be prompted to sign up or sign in. Use these options and log in. Once you do that, you'll be directed to this page. Now you'll need to click on this export option given at the top right. Now select the option download. Click on this option file type and set it to GIF. Also, you can customize these options and click on download. With that, your video has been converted to the GIF and it is in the process to be downloaded to your device. So this way you can easily convert video to GIF on mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.